How to add local music file in Spotify on your iPhone. So if you want to listen to Spotify music alongside with your local music you have offline, in this video I'm going to show you how to do that. Now go to your Spotify app, click on your profile at the top left corner, click on settings and privacy. Now you have to click on apps and device. Scroll all the way down and you're going to see where it says local audio files. Just turn this on. It's going to ask you for a permission. Just allow the permission. Allow the permission once more. And now go back. When you go to your library, you're going to see a local file folder has been created. When you open it, you're going to see all the local music you have on your device. So that's how you add local files on Spotify. But if you check here and you don't have any music in your local files, I want to show you how to do that. These are my local music file I used iTunes to import. But if you don't have one, don't worry, I'm going to show you how to do that. Go to your Files app, go to my iPhone. Now go to Spotify. If you want your local music to show on Spotify, you have to go to your download, navigate to wherever you kept your local music files. Select all of them. Click on Move. Navigate to the Spotify folder and paste or copy it there. Just to make sure it is there. Now when you go back to Spotify, you're going to see all the local files in here. So that's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.